Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video just to give you an update on what's happening with Bitcoin. Looking at some new ways to trade Bitcoin, alt currencies, different things like that, and I'll share some of those later. But right now, $1,780 on Coinbase, which is pretty exciting. So the things to note is, one, Bitcoin is going to steadily rise. So 1784 is really just the early adopters actually getting on board and starting. Let's stabilize the camera a little bit. So the early adopter phase is really just started, and you guys can be part of it. It's going to go to 10,000 at some point and higher eventually, because there's only 24 million coins going to be ever created or found, and then once there's 100 million people on Bitcoin, it's the scarcity that's created is going to create a higher demand, and you just have to figure it out, do the math. Like, if there was only 24 million ounces of gold, it'd be, and that was the basis of a currency, it would be more valuable than it is right now in the open market. So number two, second thing, the open markets have been controlled artificially. Silver and gold have been controlled for a couple hundred years. And the value of silver right now is lower than it should be because it's been manipulated. What's going to happen? Well, Bitcoin is a fairly small economy in relation to, the global economy. It's fairly small. So the things to watch for are people selling large quantities of Bitcoin at lower prices, or creating false media, like MTGOX, some problem, Poloniex has a problem, Bittrex has a problem, Coinbase, whatever. Can't trust this, can't trust that. There's all these different problems, and just trying to scare people and drive the price of Bitcoin down. That's probably going to happen around $1,900 or $2,000 per Bitcoin. Don't be alarmed. I like the idea of using Bitcoin as a currency, and which is what it's for. So if you're buying as an investment, realize that you're buying for a 2-year investment. Don't get in, and when things start to plummet, don't be stupid and sell when things are low. Oh my gosh, I'm going to lose everything I have. That's how you lose. So if you buy in at 1,700, just realize that it might take a month, maybe 2 months for it to increase, or it might go down to 1,500 or lower. It could get dropped all the way down to 800 again, 800 or less again. But it won't stay there. Believe me, it can't stay there. So just realize that you're in it for the long haul. Put money in that you can afford to lose. It's a gamble. Everything is a gamble, but it's a certainty that Bitcoin will get more valuable. So just know that and get yourself some Bitcoin. Silver's a good idea too, but that's, that could be hit again. It's a much smaller investment. But anyway, Bitcoin is hot right now, so let's see what happens. Thanks for watching.